Google just released Stitch, that is a vibe design AI tool. So basically, you just talk to an AI and it just creates the design for you, from web apps to websites to mobile apps, things like that. And it can just create the full UI and UX design, and you can just interact with it, ask for changes and things like that. And right here, I prepared an example from Uber. So right here we have the color palette, the fonts, the things like that. So button styles and top bars, nav bars, search bars, and then we have the screens right here. So it created a bunch of screens, and you can also ask it to change some screens or create even more screens that are missing. And it also created a prototype right here, so we can just run this to see the app actually working. So right here we can see basically the animations and where the things go, where it leads. So we can see that it actually works and things like that. It isn't actually connected to a backend server or a database, but the front end is fully working. So we can see right here, and it is pretty nice. And we can just edit things like right here, and it also has the capability of exporting it to all these formats. So AI Studio, Figma, a zip file, so copy the code to the clipboard, the MCP server. So you can also select a project brief to another AI continue the project. And right here, I have another example that I asked it for clone the design from the Cloud website. So it just went to the Cloud website, searched for the design, and then created a color palette right here, and also created a design.md file. So we can see this file right here, and it basically describes how the design system is. So you can just go and throw this into Cloud Code or Open Code, and it will follow the design system. So you can essentially create copies of websites, and you don't even have to be a designer anymore. You basically can just do this on Stitch and then go to a real coding agent and do everything from there. So this is a very interesting, and it is completely for free, and you can test this right now.